everyone, and welcome back to Lesson with Vienna, the channel where you find polished Nigerian English. On today's lesson, we would consider two commonly misused words. Yeah, I do find them misused a lot. So we are looking at I with the apostrophe M, I am, and am. How do we use these words? Let's go straight into the lesson. So in this lesson, we would learn if it's grammatically okay to use these words interchangeably, and if it's not, we'll find out as well. So we are considering the I with apostrophe M. Now this word is a contraction of I and am. I am. So when contracted, it is pronounced as I am going. It's an abbreviated form. I would advise that you don't use this in formal writing. It is not a formal way of writing, except you are writing to a friend or someone that is directly close to you, but do not use this when writing formally. Okay, so it is I am, the contraction of I and am. It is used to give a sentence, to start a sentence. So you could say, I am coming to eat, or I am going to meet my friend. So this is how you use I am. Do not forget, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please subscribe to this channel. Please give this video a thumbs up, and you could always leave a comment, ask questions, tell us more about what you think on the topic, and we will be glad to listen or read from you. The next one, am, pronounced as am, is used with the first person singular. These cannot be used alone without I. So you say I am coming, not I'm coming. It is grammatically wrong for you to use I with apostrophe M and am interchangeably because they serve different purposes. But you could use am to start a question like, am I correct? Am I wrong? But you do not say I'm coming. That will be totally wrong. I do see this a lot in social media, so that is why I decided to talk about this today. Please, if you did enjoy this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Tell us in the comment section more ways we could use I with apostrophe M and am in sentences. Thank you so much for watching. And if you did enjoy this video, subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, like, very important, like. Thank you very much. So until we meet again, I am Kerstin Vienna. Bye-bye.